Hello, welcome to RG's TV, and in this video, we will solve a problem from electrical engineering. Okay, so we have here two single-phase motors are connected to a three-phase four-wire feeder having a 220 volt between the phase and the neutral. So yung ating system, meron tayong three lines, okay, and another wire for the neutral. Okay. So that will be A, B, C, and the neutral N. Okay, so 220 volt between phase and neutral. So, ibig sabihin yan, halimbawa, between A and N, meron tayong 220, B and N, and then C and N. Okay, so lahat yan ay 220. So, pag ganyan, pag yung system is 4 wire, okay, 3 phase, so bale, meron kanyang three independent. Okay na supply 'no. So yung, from the phase, okay, and neutral 'no. So 'pag ganyan ang gagawin mo lang diyan 'no, okay, matic ang gawin mong reference is yung, AN. Okay, so ito yung phasor diagram ng ating, voltages 'no. So dito meron tayong AN, ayan. Okay, 'pag phase sequence ABC hindi sinabi, so matic 'yan, okay. Dito yung ating BN and dito yung ating okay, B, C, N. Okay. Ayan, so, tandaan 'pag meron tayong three-phase, so ang spacing niyan is 100, okay, 20 degrees. Okay. Now, yung ating first motor rated 5 HP, 0.866 lagging and 90% efficient. So, tandaan 'pag binigay yung rating ng motor, okay, that is output. Okay. Kaya mapapansin mo diyan may binigay na efficiency. Okay. Ayan, yung ating first motor is connected across phase A and neutral. Okay? So, yung first motor dito, okay? Mhm. Okay, dito, tsaka sa neutral. Yan. Andyan yung ating first motor, no? Okay? MA. Okay? Then, the second motor is connected across phase C and neutral. Dito, okay? And the neutral. Okay, ito yung ating MC. Yan na. Ngayon yung tanong is yung kuryente or the current through the neutral, okay? So, kung meron tayong motor siyempre na connected across, the given lines, okay, siyempre, each, load meron silang, okay, current na. So, ito yung motor sa motor A, ito naman yung current sa, okay, motor B, okay? So, as you can see na yung dalawang kuryente natin, okay, ay babalik dito sa neutral wire 'no. So, common na 'yan, okey. So, yung ating magiging kuryente sa neutral wire, okey, ay obviously 'no, okey, obviously pabalik 'yan, pabalik, ayan. So, obviously yung ating, neutral current is the sum of the currents 'no, dun sa ating dalawang motor 'no, IA and I sub B, okey. Okay, so yung ating, second motor ay nasa line C. So, we will use, okay, C. Okay, 'yan. So, ang gagawin mo lang dito is to express, okay, the currents 'no, in both motors 'no, okay, in, phasor na. Okay, yung mga given is, okay, sa first motor na, motor, okay, A. Okay, so meron tayong, rating na 5 HP, okay. Power factor na 0.866, okay, lag, okay, and then 90% efficient na, ayan. Okay, so, yung ating, motor ay single phase 'no, okay. So, tandaan, okay, i-recall yung formula sa pagkuha ng kuryente 'pag tayo ay single phase 'no, okay. 'Di ba, yung power natin ay equal kay, okay, B times I and then the power factor 'pag single phase, okay. Tandaan yung P dito sa ating formula, okay, that is input power. Okay? Yung given na 5 HP and 3 HP, output yan. Okay? So, 'di ba, para makuha yung input power, okay, you have to divide the output power by its efficiency. Okay, so pag nalilimutan yung formula, yung rekta, ganyan lang gagawin. Okay. Now, galing dito sa formula na yan, kukunin natin guys yung I. Okay, I dyan is P over P input, no? Over B times D power factor. Okay, so ganun lang, no? So, halimbawa for motor A, okay, yung ating I sub A ay equal to yung magiging P input natin, meron tayong 5 HP. So, syempre gagawin mo siyang watts. So, sa 1 HP meron tayong 746. Okay? Then, gagawin mo siyang input. So, you have to divide it by its efficiency na 90% or 0.90. Okay? Over, okay, yung ating voltage na. So, 220 volt. And then, the power factor na 0.866 lag. Okay. So, yung ating first motor, 'di ba, across A and N. Okay, tandaan yung ating power factor, okay, yung power factor angle is between phase current and phase voltage. Okay? So, dito sa kay AN, bale yung ating I sub A, okay? Sana yung yung angle natin, 'di ba, 0.86 yan, no? So, yung angle mo diyan is the arc cos of 0.866, okay? Lag. So, ibig sabihin, andito yung parte, no? Wait, this is, ano ba yung arc cos ng 0.866? Okay. Ang arc cos is 30 degrees, di ba? Okay. So, andito parte yung ating IA. Ayan. So, this is 30 degrees. Okay, lag na. So, dito guys, nalalagay mo siya ng negative 30. Okay. Nakuha na. Ayan. Then, para hindi ka na mahirapang sulat, no? Ito, ilagay mo kay, store mo kay, ang calculator na, store mo kay, okay? Ayaw maging black. Okay, store mo kay A. Okay? Then, sa second motor na, okay, motor C. Ayan. So, meron tayong 3 HP. Okay, 0.707 log. Okay. Oop, hindi log. Okay, and then 90% efficient. Okay, so yung ating kuryente sa motor C, okay, equal to, so 3, gagawin mo siyang watts times 746, maging input, divide mo ng 0.9 over 220, then 0.707. Okay, ito. Yung ating motor C ay between phase C or line C and then neutral. Okay, hindi, ito yung ating maging reference, TBCN. Okay? So, lag siya, bale, yung arc cos guys, no, yung arc cos ng 0.707 is 45 degrees. So, galing kay 120 na BCN, okay, mag-move tayo ng 45 degrees, no, clockwise. So, bali, andyan parte yung mo, andyan somewhere yung I sub C mo. Okay? Ayun. So, ano yung magiging position ng I sub C? Okay? So, 120 pupunta roon minus ng 45. Okay, so this will be 120 degrees minus 45 degrees. Okay? Then, ilagay mo kay C. Okay? Pag na-store mo na yan, pwede mo nang makuha yung neutral current. Okay, so I sub N is equal to I sub A plus I sub C. Okay, so A plus B lang dyan gagawin mo. Okay, wait. So, okay, pakita natin sa calculator. Okay. Yung A muna. So, kailangan naka-complex tayo. Mode 2. Okay. So, meron tayong 5 times 746 over 0.9 times 220 times 0.866. Okay. Then, the arc cos. I mean, the C of negative 30. Okay, ilagay natin sa A. And then the next one is yung C. Okay, dito ka. Okay, so 3 times 7 power 6 over 0.9 times 220 times 0.707. Okay, and then the C of 120 minus 45. Okay, store natin kay C. Ayan. Okay, then add natin. Oops. Alpha A plus C equals. Then, okay, kunin mo yung absolute niyan. Pero, siyempre, pag in-add mo to, no, okay, pwede mo siyang gawing ang polar. So, 23.42 plus 11.2. Okay, equal to 23.42 angle of 11.10 degrees. So, ito yung ating neutral current. Okay? So, if the problem is only requiring the magnitude, okay, ito yung ating magiging sagot na 23.42 amperes. Okay? So, that's it. Thank you for watching.